Hi, my name is Mark. In 2020 I built a LoRaWAN network in Venray, that's in the south of the Netherlands, and my network is covering about 160 square kilometers. I built my network with RAKwireless gateways. In the beginning those gateways were not manageable remotely, but in the beginning of 2021 I started together with RAKwireless building WisDM. I was one of the alpha testers, and WisDM is a great platform to manage all your gateways remotely. Let's take a look. If you make an account at WisDM, you can add some organizations. Now, I have only one organization, that is my Things network in Venray. I have 4 members in it and I have 5 locations. If you log in to your organization, you can see you have a dashboard and you can see how many gateways are online, offline. There's one gateway offline, it's on the location of basic station. And furthermore, on the left you have a menu, the dashboard, the locations I have, gateways. I select all my gateways and you can directly see which gateway is offline right now. You can add members to your organization and location, of course. I have 4 members, myself and an external, and you have some settings. An overview, the subscription and temporary access. Temporary access is very important. With temporary access you can grant RAKwireless access to your organization for troubleshooting your gateways or configurations if necessary. And you can grant them access for 1 week or 1 month or 1 day. And if you can see, they have access to my organization until the 7th of August. Back to dashboards. You can see I have 22 gateways in my organization, 1 is offline and 21 are online, and the gateway that is offline is on the location basic station. Okay, now we go to locations. I've created 5 locations. They don't have to be necessary geographic locations, but locations based on anything you like. I created 5 locations. 1 on packet forwarder, 1 on basic station, where 12 gateways are connected, 1 is offline, and you can see that 319 end devices are connected. I have a location with 5 gateways that has a 4G SIM card in the gateway. 1 location normally for 2 gateways that are offline, that are backup gateways, and 1 location in Merselo, a small village where one of my gateways is situated, and I have granted someone externally to access via WisDM the same gateway. So you can also give external people access to gateways on locations. Okay, the first gateway location is TTN 0478, one gateway. This location is based on the packet forwarder, and if you go into a location you can see some general configuration. One important issue is the email alerts. When a gateway goes offline, you can get an email instantly, hourly or daily. You have your network configuration, where you can choose for packet forwarder or basic station. This location is a packet forwarder, and you can set some settings, and you can do firmware updates for all the gateways that are in one location. But at this point there's only 1 gateway in this location. It's a gateway on packet forwarder. Packet forwarder is less secure than basic station, and now I will show you how easy it is to move a gateway from one location to another location with complete new settings. I enter the gateway. I will show more later on about gateways, but I assign a gateway. WisDM is pushing the information to that gateway. It will take some time. I go back to locations. I will go to my main location, basic station. I have 12 gateways online, 1 offline, and 309 end devices are connected to that gateway or location, I have to say. These gateways are all in this location. I just deleted a gateway from another location. You can add gateways in several ways, just your serial number and the gateway UI. You can upload a file, or you can choose unassigned gateways within your organization. Now I click on Add Gateway, and this gateway is added to this location, and with this simple 2 clicks I migrated a gateway from packet forwarder to basic station. So that is a very important feature of WisDM, to migrate gateways from packet forwarder to basic station. And you can now see that this gateway, vendor effect, is now to the location basic station. Back to locations. I have a major location where all my gateways are added to, that are connected via an Ethernet connection. And if you go to that location, you can see which gateways belong to that location. The friendly name, serial number, the firmware update, the model and device that are connected, CPU memory, the LAN IP address, and the last reported. Furthermore, to a location you can choose the columns you want to see, and you can add a new gateway to that location. You can update firmware, and you can see some network configuration. If you want to update the firmware, you can update all of the gateways at once. You can choose to which firmware version you want to upgrade. And I do not recommend to update all your gateways at once, but I recommend to update maximum 50% of your gateways to the latest firmware. Or just pick one, see if the firmware is stable, and then update the rest of your gateways. And another nice feature of the locations is you can see here at the menu a packet capture, and if you open this you can see all traffic coming in on your gateways, all uplinks, all downlinks. You choose the time frame, the type, all. For example, just an example, we have to wait right now as WisDM is pushing these settings to the gateways, and all gateways are now sending the information to WisDM. And you can see here which commands are sent to the gateways. And this gateway in Oostrom, that's a school where I placed the gateway, is offline, so the command is not received. And now you can see here all the uplinks and downlinks and information from the gateways are coming in right now. You see the gateway name, the frequency, device address, and further on all kind of traffic you see coming in.